Hi guys, here again with Valentina. Got another lesson for you. Now everybody who was in the gym and the clinic was reading the blackboard about cupping, but basically I'm going to sum it up in a couple of different ways. So cupping, or we could also call it myofascial decompression, because we're decompressing the fascia, whereas most modalities are compressive. This is actually lifting and decompressive, okay? So it helps in three different mechanisms: biomechanically, neurophysiologically, and biochemically, right? Biomechanically, fascia has layers, okay? And those layers slide, right? They don't stretch. So when you say stretch the fascia, it's kind of not really correct. You're more like slide, helping the fascia slide. So this helps to lift the loose connective layers of the fascia, holds them down, anchors them down, and then you gotta move. You have to move. You either move the cup, jiggle the cup, slide the cup, or you have to have the patient move. And it actually acts like ART. So we can break that fuzz. If you've ever watched Gil Hadley's fuzz speech, we can break that fuzz, melt the fuzz, and restore sliding of the fascial layers. That's biomechanically. Neurophysiologically, it helps to reset the tone of the muscle, activating those Pacini and Ruffini corpuscles. It actually gets proprioception that relaxes the spasm and resets the tone. So if you have a muscle that's too low tone, it's hypotonic, and it can increase the ability for that muscle to fire, follow up some exercise. Or if the muscle is in spasm, if it's hypertonic, it can calm it down a little bit. Also follow it up with some exercise to help it fire the way it's supposed to, right? And then lastly, biochemically, okay, it helps get oxygen to the cell, to the muscles, okay? Gets new blood flow, helps with healing, proliferation, and gets all that old, that old stagnant blood out, which are the marks that you see, okay? So it's really effective in helping to restore mobility, can help in pain, and just helping you, be more functional, because if you follow it up with exercise, you get a lot more out of your exercise.